Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, A Little Bit of Jay. I am Jay, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I reinstalled this beautiful, long, deep wave curly frontal unit. So throughout this video, I'm not going to be talking, and it's not really like a tutorial type video. It's just basically showing you guys how I like to reinstall my frontal. Don't forget to subscribe.
I know you used to these women that's timid. See what I want, then I get up and get it. Hey, I know I get a little crazy. I need somebody to tame it. Hey.
Yeah, I'm looking in the mirror if y'all wondering why I'm looking up, so in case y'all wondering. about 12 in the morning. I do have to go to work early in the morning tomorrow, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I tie up my unit for the night to get ready for the morning time for work. So when I'm tying my hair up, it's to keep my lace intact and my baby hairs intact. So that's the scarf. Then I like to put a headband on, just a regular old headband. I got this from the beauty supply store. I really love this headband. Like, this headband can be used for so many things, and I have so many of these. Some of these I have double of because they can be used for so many different things. Like, this what it look like. I'm not a really good sleeper like that. Like, I like to really sleep when I sleep. So the headband over the scarf is just to make sure that the scarf stay on my head throughout the night. Then I like to divide my hair in two, and I like to do just two little simple braids.
Okay, y'all, make sure y'all detangle your hair before y'all start braiding it up, or else it will not look cute in the morning time, and it's going to give you a hard time as far as detangling and everything. So you might as well do it at night time before you go to bed, so you don't have to do it before you get ready for work and waste time. Because I know me as a person, it don't matter what time I get up in the morning, I am always rushing. I am, like, it's ridiculous, but at least I can save a little time with doing my hair by making sure it's good at night time, so I don't have to worry about it in the morning.
I'm braiding my hair. I done wrapped up my edges, secure my lace and my baby hairs, secure my scarf on top of it. And now y'all already know what time it is, the last step. It don't matter what hairstyle you got, what kind of hair you got. You know, us black women always cannot sleep without our silk bonnets. If you see a black woman in a bonnet, you know it got something to do with bedtime or sleep or something like that. I want to thank you guys for watching this video and staying tuned with me the whole time. I also would like to give a special thank you to all my subscribers so far. If you are watching this video, I want you to go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. I do have a lot of awesome content coming for you guys. I cannot stress that enough. I love making YouTube videos for you guys, and just seeing all the views and all the likes and all the comments and stuff. It just really makes me happy, and I'm really starting to grow a passion for this YouTube stuff. So y'all stay tuned and stay with me through this journey. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Good night.